be oh these hiccups are really killing me right now. I'm drunk. Today I'm just going to be doing a natural beat. I'm not going to you just saw the hiccup right there right now. Yes. So now go in. Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me Rogue Marby Scott. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back any new watchers. Oh gosh, these hiccups are really bad. Welcome back any new watchers or subscribers. I got hiccups right now. Forgive me. I am Rogue Marby Scott and today I am going to be just doing a today these hiccups. I'm going to do this. Today I'm just going to be doing a natural beat. I'm not going to you just saw the hiccup right there right now. Yes. I'm just going to be doing a natural beat today just to sit in my house because I am in lockdown number 4 here in the UK and the rest of the world do not want us to travel.
Passengers stranded. Truck drivers too, after cargo was banned from crossing into France. Some Brits reacted by lining up outside shops to stock up. Dozens of countries have now banned UK visitors. Was unable to say how long it would last.
I've just spoken to President Macron.
Fuck off, Boris.
Understandably, I wouldn't want you to come to my country either if the virus hadn't mutated. Anyway, needless to say, I want to look a little bit more polished. Why? Because I'm just staying at home watching Netflix stuff, and currently I'm watching Legacies. But yeah, I'm going to just do a natural beat today, and I think I'm going to leave my hair out, but I'm going to do everything on camera. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I have just got out of the bath right now, but I do want to spritz my hair with some water. And yeah, we're gonna do that before I move on to using any actual hair products. Absolutely love what Complete Hair Care Solutions have done for my hair right now. So I'm going in with Quench from the Aunt Jackie's line. It is the moisture intensive leave-in conditioner, so I'm going to put that in first. So I'm just going to put that in my hair, get everything that just left on my leg, and I'm just going to put that in my hair now. Brush that through using, I forgot what this brush is called. So yeah, I'm not going to name it. So I'm using 3 products from the Aunt Jackie's line, and I'm going to now be using the curl La La. It's the defining curl Custard. So I'm going to go in with that next, and then I will go in with the gel. Gosh, these hiccups are like, and I'm just gonna take, I want to say a little bit, I'm gonna take that much. It's not really a much, not really a much. Look, it's not much. Put that in my hand like this, and I'm just gonna finger it into everywhere, especially the top and the buttons, and then smooth it in like that. Then do like a really messy part, middle part. I'm not fond of that like whole bang thing. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with the Doesn't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Cream Gel. And I'm gonna use, for me that is quite a bit, if you can see. And I'm just going to rub that into my hands, and I'm just going to place it all over my hair using my fingers and palms at the same time, and see how that do. And for now I'm absolutely happy with that, but before that I need to wash my hands off because I've got lots of products still left over, which I can just put here around my edges just to make them a little bit more sleek. And then we'll move on to makeup. So what I'm now going to use on my skin, and I use this practically most times where I feel like I'm looking a little bit pasty. Today I'm not looking too pasty because, yeah, well, I don't know. No, there's not been no sun in the UK. Just going to use a little bit of the Rimmel London Sun Shimmer Instant Tan, and I'm going to put that on my face. I'm going to use a 20 pence piece. Like, I'm going to use that much. And I'm just going to kind of do this. I'm going to work from the middle of my face and blend that. Oh my gosh, I look like a fucking Klingon. Yeah, I'm just going to use that on my face just to darken my face up more, as if I've been on holiday. Now you can tell when this self tanner is set, because it kind of gets tacky. So I think that's fine. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I chose not to use a color corrector just because, well, if I can not wear as much makeup as possible, then that's what I need to do. I want to look natural. Like, if I've got bags underneath my eyes but my skin looks good and flawless, or it does not look flawless but I look polished, then that's what I want to do. I do not want to look like powder and everything, as if I'm made up and not made up. So this is what I'm going to be doing. So this is why I use the self tanner. So self tanner has kind of evened out my skin tone, as you can see. And now I'm going to go in with my foundation of choice, as a lot of the time right now it's going to be the Instabake from Beauty Bakery. So I'm just going to dot, 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 and I'm concentrating all my dots around the middle of my face. You're probably wondering, why hasn't he done his brows yet? I might not be doing my brows. And I'm being really careful not to go in the outside. I'm just kind of blending whatever's there on my sponge and on my face. And then there's a clear line there, so I will just blend that into everything. Now, because everything has been concentrated in the center of my face, I feel like I can now blend on the outskirts and make it more of a natural look. Skin looking fine. I am going to go in with some concealer, and this concealer is just going to bring more attention into the middle section of my face, more there. So I'm just going to put some dabs here to go on to the bridge. I'm just going to bring it up to the highest point, because later on I am going to contour. I'm going to put some on the tip of my nose and some here on my forehead in between my brows. I'm going to go in with my sponge. This is a really weird sponge. It's kind of like a pokey poke, kind of like a butt plug. We'll use the tippy tip to do the nose. Now I'm going to use the butt and blend in where we've gone in a bit. Not heavy-handedly, but just over blended. And I think I'm almost done with my natural look, but I do want to contour, bring in some life back into the skin. Now I do know that there is a natural contour already here from where I have used my self-tanning, and just my bone structure alone is showing that there's a contour there, as you can see. But I feel like if I go in with a contour color here on my nose is a bit and just here, then we're going to create more dimension into the face as well as just being natural. So let me just let this die down a little bit and we'll go on to that contour color. So now going in with the contour color, I'm just going to place that here. And because I've picked up quite a lot on my brush, I'm just going to use it here on my chin and then drag the rest on my nose just to bring back some life. So I'm going to use the pointy bit to do this and blend up and kind of around into my hairline. Bring it into my brows a little bit. Then I'm going to use the butt to blend those two shades together, under and above. Probably quite a lot of concealer on my lips and foundation, so I'm just going to wipe the middle off. Wrap and then put some Vaseline on. I'm going to put some mascara on next. I'm going to do that now. I am going to do that now. So I'm using the L'Oreal Volume Million lashes, and I like this one because I can be really subtle with how I go. Then I'm going to go back in with my sponge, and my lips are looking a little off, so there's product still on the sponge, so I'm just going to dab that all over just to bring a more natural look to this look, where I feel like it's a natural look without actually looking like you're wearing loads and loads of makeup. I feel like this is the natural look that I want today, so I'm not going any further. I mean, I would like to put some highlighter on, but because of this base so far, I feel like the cheekbones are cutting it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna dry my hair because it's still quite moist. And yeah. So guys, this is how I would typically get my natural no makeup look. Yeah, I hope you like it. I'm loving my hair right now. I wished it was a bit shorter, or I might just shave my head off if I'm honest. But yeah, this is how I get it. Alright? Ciao for now, Homo sapiens and Marbites. I'll see you soon in the next video. Maybe it might be before the new year, or maybe not, but we don't know how the new year is going to pan out now, do we? No.